Okay, good morning. So this is a cubic equation na topic from Algebra 1. Okay, so let's start. This is problem number 1. Find the sum and product of the roots of the equation x cubed plus 3x squared plus 3x plus 1. Okay, so masusolve ang problem na to by inspection. So titignan lang natin yung coefficients ng cubic equation. From the given cubic equation, ito po yung sum ng roots. Ito naman yung product. But always take note of the sign. Okay? Kasi sa mga cubic equation, titignan natin if i-reverse ba natin yung sign. Paano ba malaman? So this will be, ito siya, plus dito, minus dito, plus dito, minus dito. Pag plus, it means as is lang yung sign. Since minus dito at saka minus dito, therefore, yung sum ng product of roots or sum and product of the roots, yung sum of the roots, by the way, is i-reverse natin yung sign. Yung product of the roots, i-reverse din natin yung sign. So, therefore, the sum of the roots of the equation is negative 3. And the product of the roots of the equation is negative 1. So, ito siya, negative 3. Bakit naging negative? Kasi plus, minus, plus, minus. Ito siya, magiging negative 1. Dahil plus, minus, plus, minus. So, from the choices, the answer is letter C. Okay, so the sum is negative 3 and yung product is negative 1. Okay, yun. So, next problem. This is problem number 2. If the roots of the equation are negative 1, 2, and 4, what is the equation? So, from the given roots, negative 1, 2, and 4, the sum of the roots of the equation is 5. And the product of the roots of the equation is negative 8. Kasi, negative 1 times 2 times 4 and negative 8. Take note, sa cubic equation, opposite always yung sign ng sum and product pag ilalagay na natin siya sa equation mismo. So, hanapin lang natin yung may negative 5x squared at saka yung may plus 8. From the choices, sa letter A, ito yung sum, opposite the sign, so 5 yung sum, negative 8 yung product, which is nagmatch sa na-solve natin. 5 yung sum, negative 8 ang product. So, the answer here is letter A. Again, letter A ang answer because ito yung sum niya, 5. Ang product niya is negative 8. Bakit? Kasi plus, minus, plus, minus. Every time, kung saan na nakalagay si minus, i-oppose natin yung sign. I-reverse natin yung sign. So, therefore, since minus, this is negative 5. So, therefore, plus 5 yung sum. And minus dito, plus, minus, plus, minus. And this is plus 8. So, therefore, yung product is negative 8. So, yun. So, the correct answer is letter A. And that's all for cubic equations. So, thank you and God bless.